Prismagic is a mystical highlighting holographic trio. I'm going to apply aura to her cheekbone to give an opalescent violet strobe. Apply aura to the outer corner of the eye to create a prismatic highlight. Apply in layers to intensify the prism-like highlight. Apply illusion to the inner corner of the eye in circular motions for a spotlight highlight. Apply aura to the high planes of the face to illuminate the bone structure. Mix all three shades together and apply for a prism-like highlight. To use the Prismagic as a transformative veil, apply over black eyeshadow.